Since my front-end skills are trash, I decided to create a simple web application by using some cool designs from CodePen. Actually, it's one of the good way to train your backend skills without caring about front-end. If you're a noob in front-end fit like me, you can use CodePen designs in your templates. It's not beneficial only in improving full-stack skills, but also in university projects maybe. I passed one of my subjects only by using CodePen snippets. Kind of. By the way, some of you guys telling me that I should open Discord server. However, I don't think people will join that group except me. If we reach at least 2000 subscribers, then it makes sense and I definitely will open one. Okay?
Subscribe now.
Anyway, let's focus on these pens. As you see, we have online shopping design, but it looks like it's kind of online pharmacy. Maybe the colors made me think like that, I don't know. So I found another pen that illustrates pharmacy receipt. At this point, we can create an application that can display orders from online pharmacy. There's a lot of pens out there waiting to connect backends, so let me know in comments which CodePen snippets should I have to use in my next videos. Okay then, let me give you a spoiler. We are going to use Ajax with Django later in this video. First, let's start by creating our Django project. I will name it CodePen, and inside project, create a new app named Pharmacy. Then configure settings file before diving into project. We are going to upload pictures, that's why I'm adding media configuration as well. Alright, let's create templates and static directories because I want to make sure that the front-end code works properly before starting backend. Actually, this part is really boring. Let me increase the video speed here, then we will continue to work on models. Well, the code works perfectly and it's time to create our model for our online pharmacy. The fields are going to be product title, product image, description, quantity, and total price of this product. So, class pharmacy. The price is going to be float field because at the end we have to calculate sum of ordered products. and finally image field. Now let's register our model in admin and create some dummy data. Uh, Alright, let me search for any pharmacy items on internet. Okay, it's not available. What about second one? Oh, here it is. Um, no, we don't need that. We don't need that one. These two items is fine. Let's copy paste title and description, then upload image. You know, actually we don't need quantity in this model. Let me remove that field because we will use it in order model. Quantity is important in pharmacy as well, but assume that it's infinity for now. Okay, I will clean some useless stuff from here, then implement functions into views to get all objects. The job does not function yet. Don't worry, my friend, I'm here to handle that. Well, the online pharmacy is almost done, but we have to create one more model for orders. So far this procedure should look familiar to you if you have small experience in Django. But now we will use Ajax to create orders without refreshing the page, and when request will successful, the user will redirect it to receive page. Alright, let's create order model. And the fields are going to be order title. We will include quantity here to display number of ordered items, and finally total price of particular items. And migrating database. As you see, we have two items. That means we cannot get data of specific object by using same class name or any other same attributes. That's why it's better to use counter tag in those attributes to make them different from each other. For example, if the class name is title, then it's going to be a title 1 for first item, title 2 for second item, and so on. By this way, Ajax can handle each item in the list. I'm applying same logic for quantity and full price as well. Actually, let's change it to ID. Great. Now we can implement Ajax call down there. So document, on click. When we click the checkout button, the function will run and ID for that button is order. As I stated before, we need to iterate through these items, so by using each function, JavaScript will look each item that has product class and run Ajax call.
A few moments later.
Now we can create Ajax function. The type will post, actually the post request. Let's pass URL for now. And data is going to be our model fields, order title. It will get each title by iterating them. I hope you get the idea here. If we use same ID for items, let's assume ID title is same for both items. At this point, jQuery cannot find second item because they are same, but counter tag is adding index at the end of attributes, which is ID, and jQuery is looking for these specific IDs. Additionally, if we are making post request, it's important to include CSRF token to avoid forbidden error. Now let's handle this data in views. Basically, we are getting this data from Ajax call and simply using create function to create new objects in database. Final steps is configuring URLs. Great, I think that's all. Let's test it now. Maybe it's because I forgot to remove my god, why I'm keep doing that? Euro sign from float field. Let's test it again. Oh no, something is missing somewhere. Let me check there. Let me check. I will. My God, I will stop the video here. I think my next video will when program gives error, the video ends. Okay, devs. After wasting my 15 minutes, finally I realized that I missed hashtag in front of full price. That's really embarrassing. That's why jQuery can't get the value. Let me show you how it's working. And check out.
Nice.
Yeah, it's creating the objects, and here is the proof in admin. We can see this meaningless title here. Well, we did the main part, and the final step is for this video we'll to display orders in received. For that, let's create new HTML file and just copy paste frontend code from the CodePen that we found. After that, simply add received view and get all objects to display orders. When user click the checkout button, or actually when the Ajax succeed, the user should redirect it to received page, and we can achieve that by using this one line of code. Alright then devs, I think after this part we just need to edit template and display ordered items. And that's it. Let's do the final test to see the result. As you see, all ordered items displayed in the received with quantity and price. Oh, the total price is very long because of float field. Maybe it was better to use decimal field, but whatever. Let's round this value and everything will fine. Great, everything works perfectly. That's all for this video. I hope you enjoyed and learned something. My videos are not tutorials, I just want to show you creative ways of improving programming skills and just sharing small experiences. You can find a lot of boring tutorials on internet, I just don't want to be part of it. Anyway, thanks for your time devs and see you soon in next video.